We're here at Collegetown Center at the west end of the hallway. As we come around the corner of the hallway, there are a couple apartments tucked back over here. We're going into apartment 208. This is a 2-bedroom corner apartment on the southwest corner of the building. Let's go take a look. Right here is a closet. Let's take a look at that as we go in. So we have this nice hall closet with a shelf, hanging space, and some good floor space in there. That is great for boxes, winter coats, assorted storage, luggage. Over on our left is the kitchen. So this is like the kitchens we've seen in other apartments here in Collegetown Center. So we have that stove oven, the countertop and drawers, the dishwasher is under the sink, the refrigerator, the freezer is on top, the microwave. And so that's a nice kitchen setup in here. Let's go on into the living room. So we have a nice big living room over here. You can see the dining table and chairs, the sofas, the other armchair, some tables and seating. We'll go take a look out the window. We're on the 2nd floor of this 6th floor elevator building. I like floor 2 because that does give you a little easier time if you want to just zip up and down the stairs instead of the elevator. There are 2 sets of stairs. Here is the bathroom, just like we've seen in other videos in other apartments, with the small medicine cabinets on the walls that open for storage, the toilet, the sink, the vanity cabinet that opens underneath, and the tub shower with the sliding door. And that large mirror, the light, and there is a fan. Let's go look out the window. This window here faces to the south. So this is the living room window. We're facing to the south. It is over the parking lot. We can see both the upper Dryden parking area here, and these are assigned spaces, and we'll be able to see some of the lower Dryden parking as well from the bedrooms. So the bedrooms in this room are right next to each other. Room number 1 is on the left. Let's go in there first. So here's room 1. This is the slightly larger of the 2 rooms. The rooms will have the full-size bed, the desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf, and the closet. All rooms have their own heater control and their own air conditioner. And let's go take a look. So this is the corner room. So we do have that extra window, so it does wrap around. We've got the south view. This is also facing to the west. That red building there is Collegetown Plaza. You can see the lower Dryden parking pretty well. That's the one beyond the yellow rail, between the 2 yellow rails, and then part of the upper Dryden parking is over here on kind of closer to the Collegetown Plaza side. Okay, this one, closet. Let's take a look in there really quick. Closet. So regular size closet within the rooms. Okay, let's go into the next bedroom. Bedroom 2. And let's head on in. Same furnishing, slightly smaller footprint in this one. And let's go take a look. Closet over here. And let's see. So in this one, we can see a little bit towards Dryden Road a little bit better. I'm going to zoom so we can see that a little closer. So there is Dryden Road, and we can see that's Cascadilla Hall. That's the south dorm here in Collegetown. You can see the Eddy Street gate. That's the original entrance to the university. So that's a landmark here in the neighborhood. That tall building is Collegetown Plaza. And if you can see right above that Eddy Street gate, that blue part there, that is actually the southern part of Cayuga Lake. So we do have a small bit of a lake view here from this room in particular. You can see it a little bit more from that, or a little bit from the other bedroom as well, but you can see it more clearly from in here. So that's a look at Collegetown Center. We are in the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment number 208. We're here at 151 Dryden Road, located just 1 block from campus.